How does Figma Slides different compared to other presentation tools? Figma Slides, a game changer in presentation tools. It offers unparalleled collaboration features for real-time teamwork. Its intuitive interface and design capabilities enable users to create professional-grade presentations with ease. Figma Slides' integration with the broader Figma ecosystem ensures a smooth workflow from design to presentation. Its ability to leverage existing design systems and assets makes it a time-saving solution. As a cloud-based tool, it provides accessibility across devices. Figma Slides is a comprehensive solution that streamlines the entire presentation creation process, making it the clear choice for modern, design-conscious teams. Let's compare it to some alternatives. 1. Strengths. Canva is a versatile design tool with a wide range of templates, including presentations. It's user-friendly and great for non-designers. Comparison. Canva focuses more on general design, while Figma Slides is specifically tailored for presentations. 2. Google Slides strengths. Google Slides is collaborative, cloud-based, and widely used. It integrates well with other Google Workspace apps. Comparison. Figma Slides offers more advanced design capabilities, real-time collaboration, and better version control. 3. Microsoft PowerPoint strengths. PowerPoint is a classic choice with robust features, animations, and transitions. Figma Slides emphasizes simplicity, consistency, and modern design. It's also more accessible for cross-platform collaboration. 4. LibreOffice Impress strengths. LibreOffice is open source and free. Impress is part of the suite and suitable for basic presentations. Comparison. Figma Slides provides a more contemporary design experience and better collaboration features. In summary, Figma Slides stands out for its design-focused approach, real-time collaboration, and integration with Figma's broader ecosystem. Depending on your needs, it could be a refreshing alternative to traditional presentation tools.